Ohm's Law was a law created by a scientist who studied electricity. It states that the current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to voltage across the other 2 points. When discussing Ohm's Law, we should talk about 3 things. 1. Voltage, 2. Current, and 3. Resistance. Voltage is defined as the difference of the amount of potential energy between 2 points on a circuit. It's an electrical current that is formed when a path is created to allow free electrons to continuously move. This continuous movement of electrons through the conductors of a circuit is called a current. This is also referred to as a flow. The amount of current in a circuit is dependent on the amount of voltage available to the electrons. Free electrons tend to move through conductors with a degree of fractions or opposition to motion. This opposition is called resistance. Electricity, as we hopefully already know, is the movement of electrons. Electrons help us in our everyday lives since it creates charge in which we harness to do work. Your phones, light bulbs, and computers are all full of electrons, therefore electricity. In this diagram, we see that the flow of electrons is going in the opposite direction. The force that is drawing the electrons apart, since they are the same signs, is what causes the lamp to light. When the circuit is closed, it lights. When the circuit isn't closed, electricity is not conducted and therefore it becomes dark. When solving for Ohm's law, you can draw a triangle in which voltage goes on top, I, or the current, goes to the left, and R goes to the right. Voltage is what V stands for. I stands for current, and R stands for resistance. When trying to find voltage, you must multiply I times R. When trying to find I, you must divide V over R. When trying to find R, you must divide V over I. I will now calculate the amount of current, which is symbolized as I in the previous diagram. I, meaning current, is equal to E, which is also known as voltage, over R, which is resistance. So in the previous diagram, it is shown that there are 12 volts and 3 ohms. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and the unit can be symbolized as A. We owe all of these discoveries I taught you today to George Ohm.